back. This is part 4 of trying to get in the helicopter. So, time to fly away. The airport. This is where I'm going to be landing most of the times if I do land. But if you haven't seen part 3, go watch part 3. If you haven't seen part 2, go watch part 2. And if you haven't seen part 1, go watch part 1 before part 2. And watch part 2 before part 3. And then watch part 3 and then watch this video. And make sure to like and subscribe. Just please like and subscribe, guys. Please. I'm gonna go past the city symbol. So here is the city symbol. Let me try to go inside the city logo. I mean, not the city logo, the city emoji. And I'm stuck already. Yeah, here we go. My plane is kinda uncontrollable again. But it's still controllable. Alright. Down here. I just went in the logo and boy buddy. That was an act. Alright guys, I think so we're high enough. Yeah, this is probably how high whenever plane goes. Let's see the options they have. They said they have new cars, so if they have new cars, they must have new planes. Alright. Mickey. Whoa, we're in the woods. Here it is. Such a bad driver. That is the perfect landing in the world. It's going to be so good when I take off. Oh, what is that? Bob. I did say Bob. So, Delco jet. What's the Delco so that jet? Away. So, let's see what the Toxin 115 luxury looks like. And that's the Toxin 308. I have the jumper stunt plane. There's also Deluxe jet, Deluxe Soul jet, whatever. The Sprinter jet is for 10 million, everybody. So, oh my God! These are expensive, everybody, right? Going to my plane on a normal day. I don't think anything's going to happen. I just gotta go to the airport, land it on the runway, and then I've gotta go in my car all the way to the city, and then upgrade my car. How many times Do I have to say to myself, don't go in there? What? I'm going high. Why am I going down? Don't take me down. Oh, that's why I'm going down. Yeah, that's better. Alright. E. Woo. It's crashing onto my screen. Come on, just line it up. Oh, it doesn't line up. Have I just passed the store? Yeah, I've passed the one way. Alright. E. Woo. Alright. Good. Now I'm going to do my plane. Anybody can steal it. I don't care. Most of the camera sports. Might be like, you have a better car than this. Come on now. I know I have a better car than it, but I'm going to upgrade this car. Oh, what? Whoa. In the city. No, I find some kind of building in the city. Go down to the city. Oh, I know I'm in the city. What building was it? Keep your... Ah, there it is. I just went past everyone. I was about to say keep your eyes open for a building that has a garage. But here it is. Ooh. Tiles. Don't think I wanted the appearance like the headline. Well, actually, guys, what do you think? Should I upgrade this one? Yeah, I think so. I should upgrade this one. This one's better. Good to me. Alright, but appearance. So as you know, guys, I was getting on my plane, and it's this one by here called Planets. Good metal color skins. exit. Shouldn't. I don't think I can do that. Wait, why am I going away? Now, I wish this could match, but I can't. Okay. I am going to go back. My cargo on. And I'm gonna get this car. And upgrade this one's thing. What the... Alright. So, up here on Spit skins. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Get in there. Finally. Now, guys, I have this. So, this is going to be the end, part 5, and then last part 6. I hope you watch all of them. And then please like and subscribe. And then make sure to like and subscribe to the Everything YouTube or the Everybody YouTube. But I think so is the Everything YouTuber or the Everybody YouTuber. Make sure to subscribe to the Everything YouTuber. And then thanks for watching. Bye.